welcome to another ARM software developer breakdown. My name is Robert Wolf, and in this video, we will be meeting with Valentin Viano, product manager from Canonical, who will be walking us through a microcloud demo he calls the Innovation Lab. This demo will be broken into multiple parts, and the entire series will be brought to you through the ARM software developer YouTube channel. If you like the video, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's meet our guest. Valentin, welcome to the ARM Software Developer Breakdown. Glad you could be here. Before we dive into the demo, though, could you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Hey, Robert. Nice to meet you. Yeah, my name is Valentin. I'm product manager at Canonical. Before that, I've been working as a software engineer at IBM in the cloud native division. And now I've joined Canonical as a cloud and containers product manager, and I'm working on edge computing solution, and especially microcloud that we will be discussing today.
Thank you, Valentin, and great to have you here with us today. So you have an exciting demo in store for us. We've split this into multiple parts. Let's hear about this demo.
Yeah, so we're going to build an innovation lab, a microcloud use case for an office, let's say a software development company. And this is an example for an edge computing use case, not the best one in edge computing. We could think about retail, about automotive, about industry. But this one is probably more interesting for ARM developers. The problems we are trying to solve today can be divided into two ranges. One is the remote development, that you need to work on a wide range of devices, of architectures, operating systems, or do compute greedy tasks such as AI, ML, or clustering development. The second one is to be able to have cheap and replaceable workstations. And in this demo, I'm going to use a Raspberry Pi 400 that I'm going to show you in this diagram. So this is the setup we have. We are starting with 4 Raspberry Pi 4 with the 8 GB RAM each that are going to be clustered together through an Ethernet switch. I'm going to use the DHCP of my house here. Nothing very amazing in networking and a provisioning setup. And the workstation is going to be a Raspberry Pi 400, so a lightweight workstation that is very cheap and you can use mostly for educational purpose. But here we are going to use it for remote development and Kubernetes development. The cluster itself is made of some parts of our microcloud modular stack. For storage, I'm using Ceph. I'm not going to dive deep into this one, but you could use any storage. And here, I'm going to use Ceph as our redundant storage. On top of it, we're going to have LXD to cluster together all the Raspberry Pis and create an abstract virtualization layer, on the top of which we're going to install multiple nodes for microcates and cluster them together. So this will give us two things. One is virtual machines capabilities from LXD, and the other is containers capabilities from microcates. With that, we're going to do remote development from the Raspberry Pi 400 and Kubernetes development on the containers.
Wow, Valentin, this sounds awesome, and I'm very excited to see this demo. If you are as excited as I am at home, you're not going to want to miss the rest of this series. So, Valentin, are you ready to dive in?
Sure, let's do it.
Awesome. Don't forget to follow the channel, ARM Software Developers, like the video, and we'll see you in our next one. Stay tuned.